Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to turn this 11 by 14 inch Dollar Tree frame into a custom looking nautical themed floating frame. I got the inserts for the picture frames from Amazon and they'll be linked below. There are many different kinds you can choose from, but since I was going for the nautical theme in my bedroom, I went ahead and got these. So the paint color I'm actually using for these picture frames is Tundra by Benjamin Moore. It's an icy gray, it's very light. I actually have this paint set aside for another DIY project that I'm going to be working on soon. However, my room started looking dark with all the black and browns that was in here, so I figured painting these picture frames this color would be the best way and cheapest way to brighten up the space. So after putting on a few coats of the gray, I went ahead and splashed on some of this Crayola Kids metallic gold paint. If you're doing more than one picture frame, I highly suggest you make each one a little bit unique. That way it doesn't look so cookie cutter and each one has a little bit of that custom look to it. So to secure the glass to the frame itself, you can either use super glue around the edges or hot glue. And on the corners, I actually took one command strip, cut it into fourths, and stuck that on to the back of it and also against the wall. And that is how I got this super close look here. I really don't like using nails to hang up picture frames just because as things move and shake, they can, fall out of place or move out of place. So putting command strips on each corner not only secures it to the wall so that they don't move, but it also protects it so that you don't have any hole damage or anything like that. If you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate if you would give it a like. Don't forget to share, comment your thoughts below, and follow me on all my social media accounts that'll be linked as well. And if you happen to be somebody that enjoys all different types of DIYs, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications, because next up I'll be showing you all how to DIY your very own custom abstract canvas. Thanks for watching.